Hello kids! Are you ready to learn house vocabulary today? Let's go! Roof. Roof. This is a roof. Garage. Garage. This is a garage. Fence. Fence. This is a fence. Yard. Yard. This is a yard. Door. Door. This is a door. Living room. Living room. This is a living room. Sofa. Sofa. This is a sofa. Chair. Chair. This is a chair. Table. Table. This is a table. Bookshelf. Bookshelf. This is a bookshelf. Bedroom. Bedroom. This is a bedroom. Bed. Bed. This is a bed. Study desk. Study desk. This is a study desk. Dresser. Dresser. This is a dresser. Bathroom. Bathroom. This is a bathroom. Bathtub. Bathtub. This is a bathtub. Sink. Sink. This is a sink. Shower. Shower. This is a shower. Toilet. Toilet. This is a toilet. Faucet. Faucet. This is a faucet. Kitchen. Kitchen. This is a kitchen. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. This is a refrigerator. Microwave. Microwave. This is a microwave. Stove. Stove. This is a stove. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. This is a dishwasher. Dining room. Dining room. This is a dining room. Laundry room. Laundry room. This is a laundry room. Thank you for watching and listening. Follow for more informative videos.